Every no-code tool expects you to come in knowing exactly what you want to build. Rocket 1.0 is the first one that actually asks, is this even worth building? I can't code, and I never will, but I just launched a full micro-SaaS at rocket.new that handles bookings, payments, and student management in just one afternoon. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only and shouldn't be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. So here we are on rocket.new. We'll just quickly scroll down the website. Solve, build, intelligence. 1, 2, 3. Widely used website. You can start for free with the free trial. Now what we are gonna do is sign in and head over to the dashboard. Very clean dashboard. Once we are on the dashboard, we go to the description box, and before we build, we solve. We'll create a new project, and then we're just gonna do a solo flow yoga instructor studio. Right, what kind of student management platform is built for independent yoga? Right, I'm a solo yoga instructor who's tired of chasing students on WhatsApp and tracking attendance in messy Google Sheets. So I'm asking Rocket, is there a real market for a booking tool for solo instructors? And when I hit submit, Rocket doesn't just do a single search. It decomposes the prompt, breaking my business idea into thousands of sub-investigations that fire across the web simultaneously. And it takes about 60 minutes. It takes an hour because it doesn't just summarize, it investigates over 400,000 plus independent instructors globally. It's performing the work of a high-level research firm to synthesize actual intelligence from real data. And the market validated. The report finds that 70% of solo instructors are still doing things manually, and the big tools like MindBody are just too overbuilt for us. Once that brief is done, as you can see, you can go through everything, the references, and then you can download it. As we see, we've got the final report there, which you can download as a PDF. Next, now we're gonna sort of layer in the live signals with Track, and I've added MindBody and Acuity, the industry giants, to see if they're ever going to simplify things for solo users. So most tools just give you a news feed. Track gives you a strategy map. It monitors 6 signal categories: website changes, social media, news, reviews, pricing, and performance marketing. Track catches that both competitors are doubling down on multi-location features. They aren't looking at solo instructors, which means our window of opportunity isn't just open, it's actually widening. And I'm using retract URLs like lovable.dev and perplexity.ai to show you these 24 to 36 hour historical patterns instantly. On your own site, you'd see initial signals in 3 to 4 hours. So right now, we are building the class scheduling calendar and student dashboard. Let me hit submit. This isn't just a wireframe, it's a shippable product. I'm wiring in Stripe for class package payments and Mailchimp for automated class reminders. Rocket supports 25 plus native integrations that flow directly into your build. You also have Superbase right there. So we'll integrate Stripe. Now, I'm taking my old generic personal website and using reimagined website design to turn it into a high-converting landing page for a new app. And you can see the before page right there and the after page. We've got all the same info, but now it's built to sell. Now I'm opening a new task to add student onboarding. Notice that Rocket already knows the package pricing and design language without me typing a single word of context. And I can invite a co-host or virtual assistant to this project, and they see everything, the research, the intelligence, and the build immediately. No catch-up calls. Outcome over output. Stop building on vibes and start building with evidence at rocket.new. That's the end of this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.